Of course, this is the way things go. We got ready to leave and it sprung a transmission leak. Looks like it was just transmission line. Being the kind of guy he is, Wes is under there fixing it right now.
Pit stop.
Holy joy. What do you think?
We're good to go.
I love your optimism, man.
Not a problem.
Huh?
This is a lot better than the $600 guy's van.
Well, do you think you can handle driving something like, you know, this might be above your pay grade?
I'll be right at home, just moved up a notch.
Okay, I think that tire over there might need a little air too. But
we'll blow them all up.
You know, it's a heck of a guy right here. I'm just saying. Some of y'all already know that. Probably all of you that watch his channel. There's another guy right there. Awesome. So we're all loaded up and about ready to go, but we're going to go look at some Model A's and some antique Chevys and some different things. We'll say hi to Teresa. So we made it a few miles. Huh?
Yeah, we have to get the tape. We'll get it.
We made it a few miles from Rusty's house and Farmer's house, and she started acting up, and then we checked the transmission fluid and it showed that it was really low, which it was really full when we were over there, but it might be just driving it, you know, sent the transmission juice all into the places where it hadn't gone before. So master junk mechanic Rusty Akers is in the process of adding additional transmission fluid so that we can see if it'll.
We got no funnel.
Got no funnel, so he made one out of a spark plug paper wrapper. Oh, the joy. I'm gonna cut the camera off now. We'll come back to this later. I guess I'll go ahead and make another video. We've been having a little trouble with the truck. It seems to be that oil is getting, antifreeze is getting in the block. We've changed the oil on it once already. And we've been adding water, and we're about to add some block seal to it and let it cool down, put some water in it, and then we might go about as far as we can go this time and then stop and then change the oil again in the morning. I'm not sure, but we're trying to nurse it home. We still got a long ways to go, but we got time, not in a hurry, so we can go slow and nurse it along. Oh, joy. Hope you're all having a good day wherever you're at. We love you. So what'd you bring it up for if you're just going to argue with me about it? I mean, here you go. I'm just standing here minding my own business, not bothering anything in the world.
You start victim again, trying to make everybody
you start
feel
talking
bad.
about something just totally unrelated to anything, and then you start arguing me about it. Why'd you ask my opinion? What'd you ask my opinion for if you're just going to argue with me about it? You know, it's, you know, I ain't getting paid extra mileage for, you know, getting to converse with you like this.
You know?
Look at you. You still got that one lonely, that heavy Chevy.
No, this is the second one.
Oh, you got two?
I have like 4.
You got 4? How'd you get 4? Huh?
Well, Mrs. Heavy Chevy gave me some, but I bought them.
You trying to say Mrs. Heavy Chevy likes you? What?
Can you call my phone?
Yeah, sure. just on the way down through here, stopped at the Love's truck stop. This Model AT pulled in behind us, beside us. Where are you going to?
Water.
I never know what that feller's up to.